Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. I will put number 25 go outside. This one we need to change into x to the power of 3 over 4. So this one divide by this one divide by this one, and so on in here. This one we have negative number 2. This one we have negative 13 over 4. This one we have number 2. And now we have the formula in here. Now we can apply the formula in here, here, and here. This one we keep the same. This one we have negative number 1, negative number 1. This one we have negative 9 over 4. 9 over 4. This one we have number 3. This one we have negative number 20 over x. This one negative and negative, we simplify. This one we have number 5. And that is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.